Hi, and welcome to this absolutely amazing restored 1860 log cabin located just outside the town of Lovettsville, Virginia.
This awesome cottage sits on just over an acre of woodland. Let's look around.
The current owners acquired the property in 2022 and set about on a down-to-the-studs restoration, resulting in this incredible gem of a home. Check out these custom-hewn hardwood floors and this incredible spiral staircase which leads to the cozy bedroom.
Inside, you'll find a warm living room with exposed log walls and plenty of modern conveniences.
Outside is a nature lover's delight. Imagine sitting out here on a summer's evening with your favorite drink, listening to the sounds of the forest.
So true. It's perfect for walks and simply enjoying the outside.
Absolutely.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone.
And feel free to reach out to schedule a showing at your convenience.